Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So lots of people have been asking me for paper squishies this week, and especially after last week when I did the foam squishy week, I've decided Monday to Friday this week we are going to be doing paper squishies every day. So a different paper squishy every single day. Today is day one and I want to do some more interesting ones than usual, and today I thought I'd make the Doritos one that I made years and years ago now, but with actual little Dorito paper squishies that you can put inside to create the almost stuffing for the main packet of the paper squishy as well, so you can squish that and you can have the paper squishy Doritos. So like I said, this is day one of my paper squishy week, so if you haven't already, I would love if you could subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for all of the videos coming your way. But without further ado, let's get straight on into the tutorial. So first of all, I will be linking all of my paper, all of my pens, everything like that I use in all of my paper squishies in the description down below, because I get lots of questions about the pens and the papers and stuff like that I use, but it will always be linked, so just a heads up for that. Anyway, so to make the Dorito bag itself, I folded over a piece of A4 paper, I cut it down slightly and wrote out the word Dorito using a pencil just so that I could get it centralized. I went around that with a black acrylic paint pen and then just went to town with my alcohol markers. I'll actually leave a photo on screen right now to show you the exact colours that I used for my marker pens, just in case you have the same set, but I went with the orange to begin with to create the triangle for the Doritos logo. I drew two little Dorito chips themselves down at the bottom of the packet and then coloured the rest of it in this kind of orangey reddy colour. So to add some more details to make the packet look a bit more crisp packety, I actually went in with a smaller marker pen. This one here is one of the Arteza Twee markers that I've had for years and years now. They're still going on strong. They have this like fine liner at one end and then like a brush tip at the other. They're water based, but I just love them. So I drew some horizontal lines across the top and the bottom of the packet just using a ruler to keep them straight. Then I decided to add some sparkles over the packet because I did end up smudging some of the black marker pen, so I wanted to disguise that slightly. So I thought some white sparkles would add some cute extra interest anyway, so I did that all over. I then coloured in the back of the packet using my Arteza marker just in the darker red, and in all honesty I only did this to help disguise the fact that the alcohol markers bled through from the front of the design and I couldn't be bothered to cut another piece of paper for the back. I then covered the whole entire thing in tape, and then on the back I realised it looked a little bit plain, to be honest, so I wrote out the words nutritional info and then just went to town with the cutest little words I could think of and just doing little dots and stuff. I didn't want to put actual nutritional information on it, I thought this would be cuter, so I just went with whatever came to my head naturally on another white piece of paper. So I just stuck that down right into the centre with the same tape, so it all kind of blended in and looked like part of the original design. To make the bag resealable, I then put some tape on the inside of one of the sides, and on the other side I actually added some double-sided tape so it could stick to the other side with the tape on, and then it could peel off easy instead of just sticking to plain paper. Does that make sense? So the paper then wouldn't rip because it was protected with the clear tape on one side. I know, genius. Anyway, once I had done that, the outside packet was then complete, so I needed to make a whole bunch of Doritos, aka mini tortilla chip squishies. I decided to do these all individually, so I just drew out an orangey kind of yellowy triangle. I added some details on it with a darker brown sort of shade. I then went in with a black acrylic paint marker and I drew on the cutest little face I've ever seen, and then just cut it out on the folded paper so that I had a front and a back piece. I turned over the back piece and then coloured that in the same way that I did the Doritos, so again that yellowy golden orangey shade with some texture on it, and then I just stuck the two pieces together. So I made sure to put the tape on flat on the front piece so that it was all nice and neat, then just cut little tabs on it and folded that over towards the back. Once the front and the back piece were then joined along two of the edges of the triangle, I then took some pillow stuffing and just stuffed each of the Dorito shut. I then very carefully just held the Dorito together, added more tape, cutting more tabs and just taping it shut so that all of the stuffing was encapsulated inside. I then did this over and over and over again until I had a whole bunch, enough to fill up the paper squishy with all of the mini Dorito squishy tortillas. So yeah, it took around about 12, I think it was. Okay, so now that all of my little Doritos are made, I'm just loading them up into the bag, and obviously then these can act as the stuffing and we can seal it with the tape that's on there, and obviously we can unseal it when we want to get the little Doritos out. So there we go. Look, there is the paper squishy all done. Squishiness wise, it feels nice in the hand, as paper squishies kind of always do. It hasn't got that major bounce back like you would expect from a paper squishy, but it has got the cuteness, the squishiness, the satisfying, and it was also really easy to make, like I've put on the back here. So I really enjoy this one. I like the fact that obviously you can just undo it, then get those little Doritos out, and they are all looking super duper cute. Love the fact that you've got the face and the back of the tortillas on there as well. And yeah, that's how you make the Doritos in a packet paper squishies. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Hopefully I shall see you again tomorrow for another paper squishy tutorial. But until then, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I shall see you tomorrow for the other video.